Hi, how are you today? Welcome to Unit 3, Lesson 3.
Before we start, make sure you can hear and see me well. Turn on the speakers of your computer. Check your internet connection. If you need, take a pen or pencil to take notes during the lesson. Are you ready? Let's start.
Today, we will prepare our favorite dish. For this, we will learn how to give instructions and give commands in the kitchen in order to follow a recipe. You will learn cooking verbs, instructions in general, phrases, and cooking ingredients. Let's begin. Today, we will learn about Veronica, Molly's friend. She's going to prepare her favorite dish. What do you think? Is it healthy or unhealthy? Let's take a look. Do you like salads? I love salads. And Veronica loves salads too. Salads is a very healthy dish. Listen to her talking about the ingredients she puts in her favorite salad. Pay attention.
Oh, I'm a salad lover. I think salads are a perfect dish, because they normally take little preparation and you can put in all the ingredients you like. My favorite salad is simple, delicious, and very easy to make. I start with green lettuce and add red tomatoes and crunchy cucumbers. I also include boiled eggs for protein or grilled chicken. For dressing, I use olive oil and balsamic vinegar. A bit of cheese on top and a handful of nuts adds extra flavor. Give it a try. You can make your version with your favorite ingredients.
Activity 1. Listen to Veronica and tick the ingredients she includes in her favorite salad. Veronica likes cooking. In fact, cooking is one of her hobbies. Cooking is one of her favorite activities. She can spend the whole weekend cooking for her family and for her friends. And she can even participate in cooking contest. Activity 2. Let's listen to Emily. Emily is Veronica's best friend, and she's going to tell you about one of the specialities Veronica prepares. Are the statements here in the slide true, false, or doesn't say? To celebrate Emily's birthday, Veronica is preparing some pizzas. She's making some pizzas. What ingredients does she need? Activity 3. Listen again and tick the ingredients Veronica needs to make pizza. Yummy. When we cook, we perform different actions. For example, we peel an apricot, we cut, we mix, and we boil. We boil an egg, for example. Let's take a look at the cooking verbs and let's repeat.
Peel, cut, pour, preheat, mix, spread, add, stir, bake, boil.
Are you a good cook? I am a good cook, but are you a good cook? How do you make pizza? Let's listen to Veronica and let's read her recipe.
Making pizza is really easy. To make the dough, you need some flour, yeast, salt and water. Once you have the pizza dough, everything is really fast. First, preheat the oven, 245 degrees, and roll out the pizza dough. Then, prepare the toppings. For example, cut the olives, the mushrooms, the ham, the onion, into small pieces. Later, spread the tomato sauce over the rolled out dough. Next, add cheese. Just sprinkle some shredded mozzarella cheese over the tomato sauce. After that, add the toppings. Bake the pizza for 12 to 15 minutes. Finally, serve and enjoy.
Activity 4. Listen and read Veronica's recipe and put the different images in order. Well done! Well done! As you have seen in the previous activity, there are some words that we can use to express a sequence. First, second, third, a sequence. Okay? Or the steps we need to do for some things. For example, in a recipe. Let's listen to me and let's repeat. For example, first, repeat, first, then, repeat, then, later, repeat, later, next, repeat, next, after that, repeat, after that, finally, repeat, finally. These are the key phrases we learned in this lesson. Take a look, practice the pronunciation, and then move on to the next step. Welcome to the practice stage. Yeah! So far, we've learned how to prepare a good salad and how to make a delicious, delicious pizza. Now, let's find out what Monica's favorite dish is and how to make it, how to prepare it.
So tell me, what is your favorite dish?
Well, my favorite dish is extremely easy to make.
What is it?
It's omelette. I love omelette. Easy, simple, healthy, and nutritious.
And what ingredients do you need to prepare omelette?
I need 2 eggs, oil, salt, and the fillings that you like. I always make omelette with shredded cheese and ham, but I also like omelettes with diced vegetables like peppers, onions, tomatoes, or mushrooms.
And how do you make it?
Well, first, you put 2 eggs into a bowl, you mix them, and add some salt and pepper and mix everything. After that, heat the frying pan and put some oil on it. You pour the egg mixture and cook it for about 6 minutes. I always have my omelette with cheese and ham and diced vegetables. Finally, you fold it in half and continue cooking until the omelette is set. You serve and you enjoy.
Sounds very tasty. Can you prepare one for me?
Of course I can.
Activity 5. Listen and complete the text with the missing words and phrases. Activity 6. Read again, go over all the cooking steps, and decide if these statements in the slide are true or false. Now it's time to prepare something sweet. Sweets are my favorite food. In this case, we are going to prepare a chocolate cake. Look at the following ingredients we have in the slide and repeat after me. Cheese, repeat, cheese, cocoa powder, cocoa powder or chocolate powder, avocado, avocado, sugar, sugar, eggs, flour, flour, oil, and milk. Which of these ingredients do we need to prepare our chocolate cake? Now, let's watch a video on how to prepare a chocolate cake. Pay a lot of attention and check your predictions.
Hello everyone! Today we're making a delicious chocolate cake. So let's get started. Ingredients: 4 eggs, 2 cups of cocoa powder, 3 cups of sugar, 3 cups of flour, 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of vegetable oil. In a large mixing bowl, put all the ingredients and then mix all together. Now we're going to bake these in the 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. After that, your chocolate cake is ready. Enjoy it!
Activity 7. Watch the video again and order the instructions. Thank you for completing the activities. Now, let's go to the next stage. In this opportunity, let's listen to Valentina talking about her favorite dish and how she prepares it.
My favorite dish is vegetarian tacos. These are the basic ingredients: protein, for example, beans, tortillas, garlic and tomatoes, salt and pepper. First, cut the garlic and the tomatoes and fry them. Then, add the protein, beans in this case, and add salt and pepper. After that, mix everything in the pan and warm the tortillas on both sides. Finally, put the mix on the tortilla, fold it, and enjoy.
Now, it's your turn to describe what your favorite dish is. For example, my favorite dish is pasta. These are the ingredients we need: noodles, sauce, and cheese. First, you prepare the sauce. Then, you boil the pasta. Finally, you put the noodles in the sauce with some cheese and you eat it. Delicious. Follow this model and describe your own dish, how you prepare it, and then post it in the forum. Put your answers in the week's discussion so your classmates and your teacher can see it. Comment on one of your classmates' dish and say whether you would prepare it and whether you like it.
Thank you very much for sharing your post in the forum. Thank you. Don't forget to read your classmate post and make any comments. Are there any coincidences? Do you want to ask them any question? Do it.
Activity 8. This is a writing activity. You are going to see in the picture some ingredients. I can see sugar, flour, cocoa powder, eggs, vegetables. Look at those ingredients you have in the kitchen. What can you prepare? Let's see how good cook you are. We are about to finish the third lesson of Unit 3. In this lesson, we learned about your favorite dish, how to prepare your favorite dish, and to follow instructions in a recipe.
I hope you enjoyed this lesson as much as I did. Remember that if you have questions, if you have doubts, or if there is something that you need to share or you want to share with your classmates or with your teacher, you can do it in the forum or you can do it in the synchronous class. Hope to see you next class. Bye.